Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making chicken gizzard and tomato stew, and I've started by adding some chopped onions into the gizzard. I've added some spices. Add any spice of your choice. I just use thyme, curry powder, chicken seasoning cubes and chicken seasoning, some salt. Just add into the chicken gizzard, which I washed and froze. So I'm using frozen gizzard there. I'll just add some water and the cover to start cooking because it is blocked, so I cannot stir it now. But after a while, it's frozen, so I now stir it. After stirring it to mix the spices into the gizzard, I'll cover it again and allow it to cook until it is well cooked. We are making tomato and gizzard stew, so I've started by blending some of my tomatoes, peppers, onions, ginger and garlic. After blending, I'll pour into a pot and cook it to dry. The gizzard is well cooked now, so I'll take it out. If you want, you can fry or grill it, but I'm not going to do any of that. We are cooking it like this. So the next step now is to fry our tomatoes. I added about 2 cooking spoons of vegetable oil into a dry pot. When it heats up, then I'll add some onions and fry. After frying the chopped onions for some minutes, I'll then go ahead and add my tomato paste. I'll add this and fry for a bit also before I'll now add the fresh peppers and tomatoes which we blended and boiled earlier on. After frying the tomatoes for a few minutes more, I'll go ahead and add a little more of the curry and the thyme. I'm using a teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of curry powder. I'll also add 1 more cube of chicken seasoning. I'm using no cubes anyway. Then I will stir together, cover and allow to continue frying. I'll keep stirring it at intervals so as to prevent it from burning. After about 10 to 15 minutes, our tomato stew is well fried. I'll then go ahead and add the boiled chicken gizzard. If you grilled it or fried it, it is time to add it to the stew or sauce. I'll also add some of the gizzard stock. You can add chicken stock or any other stock you have. I'll stir it, cover and continue to cook. You can also add more water if it is thick for you. I tested it and everything is okay. Lastly, I'll add some crayfish powder. This is optional. If you don't like it, don't add it. I love the taste it gives me in stews. I'll then stir it, cook it for about 2 more minutes, and our chicken gizzard and tomato stew is ready. And here our chicken gizzard and tomato stew is ready. It tasted so delicious. We served and enjoyed this with boiled rice. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give us a like and share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.